Hey you guys, we are prepping for Antonio's birthday party, and what he decided this year is he wanted Pokemon. He is collecting Pokemons. He is back into Pokemons. He is watching Pokemons. You know how it goes. Once your kid starts with something, that's it. You can't get them to change their mind. So this year is Pokemon. So we're gonna run with it, and we're gonna see if we can make it happen. Now the goodie bags are so cute. They're just little plain goodie bags. I don't want to open them yet. I'll open one when I put the decal on it. That way you guys can see how it looks. So we have 12 goodie bags. We're gonna divide them into sets of 3 because I did 3 kinds of different decals. Did it work out? Yeah, it kind of did. Now, I will link the bags down below on my Amazon storefront if you're looking for them. If you're not, that's okay too. I'm looking for my water. Make sure you guys hydrate. Okay. So it's going to be a long project. If you don't want to, you can skip. Fine by me. But I still have to make these, so I figured why not do a video. So look at this is the Pokemon, and he is Pikachu, just like to the 3rd level or something. And what I mean by that, I have no idea, but that's what he explained to me, like elevated or something like that, like on the next level of who he is. And that makes any sense. I'm gonna use my favorite transfer tape. I will link the link down below. You guys grab this transfer tape. It guides you. I'm old school, and you have to tell me 3 times, explain it to me 50 times before I even get the hang of it. So this transfer tape has got the grid lines, which is gonna guide you through everything. So hopefully it guides you and it makes it easy for you to make your projects. So let's start with this first Pokemon, and it has a lot of little stuff, so you kind of want to make sure you get everything. So what I'm gonna make sure is I scrape it really nice. Now I'm gonna use this tape for all of them, or at least I'm gonna try. If you could, the only thing you can do is try. If you get it to do it, fine. If it doesn't, then fine. I hope you guys, I hope the light is good. I think I'm missing a light bulb in the kitchen. But let's try to keep going. So the only thing you can do is try. So I'm going to lift it. And I think that lifted very well. I'm going to place it right in the middle of my bag. Whatever you think the middle of the bag is to you, it's gonna be perfect. I just want to make sure, like, I don't lift it and one of the eyes comes out. Because, you know, that would be the worst thing. Look how cool it looks already. See what I mean by the grid lines? It kind of helps you paste everything. Makes it look straight. Even if you are not, even if you don't look straight, it'll help you. So now with these bags, you have to peel slowly. I made this before and I showed you in a video. Don't peel fast. Peel slow. Take your time. Don't be in a hurry. Don't get angry. Don't get impatient. If not, this is not the project for you. You can just, I don't know, look for something else. And how cool is that? He is going to love it. Wait, let me show you. I will show you guys close-ups. How cool is that? I can fill this up with chips, a little bag of chips, and a little juice fits in there as well. A little bag of cookies. I could fill it up with cookies, or what I did last year, I just filled it up with different kinds of chocolates, which was a big hit amongst the kids. Because at the end of the day, they're going to throw away any toy you give them at this age. They're at the age where they don't want any toys. They're just like, give me the chocolate. Well, that's my age. Give me the chocolate. Are you that person? I am. Okay. So let's keep going. So do you guys, if you guys don't want to see me do one by one, go ahead and just forward. I'm okay with that too. But you know I'm always talking. Oh my God, I think this is such a great and affordable idea to transfer anybody's birthday. Like it doesn't even have to be this, it could be anything. And not only that, the vinyl that I'm using, the transfer tape does not rip the bag. Like it doesn't, you know, some of them are really sticky that it'll rip the bag and you can't do it. This one actually helps me where I'm able to lift it without ripping the bag. Like the tape is like my friend right now. And the last time I did the bags, I did a basketball theme for Manuel, and it was a hit. Everybody liked the bags. Everybody thought I paid for them, and I didn't pay for them. I made them myself. So let me just keep putting. Okay, so I'm gonna forward it a little bit because I don't want this video to be way too long while I'm talking. If you guys know me already, because a lot of you know me, I like to talk. I like to talk, and I like when you guys talk back to me. Like when you guys are like, hey Susie, I did this, I did that. So I'm actually liking these, so I'm gonna make as many as I can of those, because I kind of set it in different ways. But I'm gonna do as many as I can of these. I'm gonna pause it really quick and come back when I have a few done for you. Okay, so I did the last one. And let me tell you, if you just want to do the Pokemon and that's it, this is gonna be great for you. And you could stop here. Look how cool it is. I think it came out super cool, super professional. It looks like I paid for them, which I did not. But let's go to the next one. And what is the next one? I have no idea. I was just like making stuff. Oh, I know what the next one is. It's a Pokemon ball. Have you guys seen the Pokemon balls? Like they're like, I'm gonna have to show you. I'm gonna have to make one so you guys could kind of see what I'm talking about. Now this, I don't have to put a press on sticker for this because I feel like I could just lift it and put it onto the canvas. Let's see if I can get away with that. And it's just a ball. So yes, I was able to just, oh no, you know what? No, yeah, I did. I thought it was gonna leave bumps, but no, you can actually smooth them out. That's what I'm doing. So I don't know. If you want to use the transfer tape, I don't think I need it for the ball, which I could save myself a lot of money by not using the transfer tape. So what do you guys think? So let's go ahead and make one at least before my neighbor wakes up and starts making noise. Okay, so this is just a little Pokemon ball, and I think they throw it like when they want to catch a Pokemon. You throw the ball, and I guess you catch the Pokemon. Now, I might not need transfer tape for this either, so I'm going to see if I could just wing it as well. But I want to get a piece of it just to guide me. So this is going to be the Pokemon, and then this is the Pokemon you catch, if that makes any sense. So I don't even know how it looks. I need to go get my camera really quick so I make sure I do it on the right side. So give me a minute, don't go nowhere. Of course, I ran to get my tablet, and my kids have it dead. They never charge it, and they always use it. So if I'm not mistaken, the red goes on top. You guys, my kids, I swear, they use my stuff. They never charge it. And then that's it. They leave it like that. Okay, so the ball goes on top. I mean, half of the ball goes on top, right? So if I'm not mistaken, does it leave a little ring? Yeah, it should. If I'm not wrong, I think it goes like this. And the white goes in the bottom. Because it does have white in the bottom. I'm using the transfer tape just to guide me. And the white goes in the bottom. I just need some guidance with this. Now this is my first time making one, so if I make it wrong, he can fire me. Okay, so the white goes in the bottom. If I'm not mistaken. Okay, now I see where I messed up. I need to pull it more up. So I'm gonna do that with the next one. I mean, it looks cute, but you see where I messed up. If you guys can see. If not, thank you. Okay, so I am adding his name on here. I decided why not add his name, but where's the... I'm missing a little white ball, if I'm not mistaken. This one I'm not using. I think I'm gonna use the white one. So I do have it. I have extras. Thank God I decided to not throw them away. So let's go ahead and use this one. So I'm gonna use that one in the middle. Yeah, that one's gonna be perfect in the middle. I'm gonna use the same one to guide me. Like, this is just me, like, making stuff. If you guys hear noise, the neighbors are having construction done on their house, so don't worry about that. Okay, so that actually looks pretty decent for what I'm doing. Now I was gonna add his name on there. Why I'm thinking adding his name right like in the middle. So what do you guys think? I don't have to add it. I could leave it like that and it'll just be the Pokemon ball. But I already printed it, so let's see how that looks. So I want to finish this video before the neighbors start going crazy over there. So let's go ahead and finish this video real quick before it gets really noisy. So it says Antonio's 12th birthday. Now, the only thing I regret is doing this in the glitter. I think I would have just done it. Next time, I'm just going to do it in the black. What do you guys think? I mean, I do like it, but I feel like it would have been better in just the black. Now, I'm going to go ahead and make the rest. What do you guys think? So this is the Pokemon ball. I hope it looks like it. I'm going to make the rest a little higher. I know where I messed up, so I can make it like a real circle. And then this is the Pikachu. Oh my God, he's going to like it. I think he's going to be really happy with the final results. Let me go ahead and make some more, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so what do you guys think? Look how cool they came out. So once I got the hang of it, I actually figured out what I was doing wrong. But I think they came out really cool. I'm going to do the last one with you, just so you guys get the hang of it. Okay? So we're going to do the last one together. And I'm sorry if the light is hitting it. Well, that's better. Either way, I'm doing the last one together. And then there you go. Okay. So we're going to do the last one together and finish this off. I think Antonio's going to be happy and proud of me. So for this one, all I did was bend the edge. I am not using any transfer tape because the ball is so big. There's no need to. It's not like it's writing. You're going to bend it. Put it right in the middle. And what I want you to do is smooth it out as you drop it. That's it. Smooth it out as you drop it. And you're gonna see how easy that is. Okay, you guys see that air bubble? Probably not. I'm gonna smooth it out. That's all I did. Bring it to the edge and it's gone. Doesn't want to leave, tap on it. Because it's just, it's on paper, you guys, so you'll be fine. Okay? We're gonna go ahead and grab the top of it. Now with the top of it, you know why the first one came out all messed up? Because I wasn't lining it up right. So I'm gonna line it up and I'm gonna show you how really quick. Once you get the hang of it, you're gonna make like 100 of these. You're gonna grab it, bring it all the way to the edge, and then you're gonna smooth it out as you drop it. You saw how easy that was? You're gonna do the same thing with the white. You're gonna grab it, you're gonna bring it all the way to the edge, and you're gonna drop it and smooth it out. Drop it and smooth it out. Drop it and smooth it out. Grab the little middle. This I'm not gonna use transfer tape for. I'm just gonna drop it right in the middle and smooth it out. Now for the words, we are gonna use the transfer tape because you have to. I'm gonna use the same piece that I was using for all of it. I'm gonna put it here. Can you guys see that? Yeah. And this you do need transfer tape for. Some things you don't. This is gonna go right in the middle. You're gonna just smooth it out with your hands. Your hands hurt, just go ahead and use this. That's what it's for. I'm gonna peel it off. We're gonna put it right on the birthday. Make sure it takes everything. And we're gonna add it right on the bottom. Inside the ball. And it says Antonio's 12th birthday. And short for birthday is B-Day. And look at how adorable and easy that is. I think it came out adorable. So make sure you guys have it just like you like it. I think the balls came out cute. I am really liking the Pokemon. So let me know what you guys think. I think they came out adorable. Let me know what you think of this Pokemon. Oh, let me open the bag for you just so you can see. This is the back of it. It has both little handles. It has a great amount to look at. It's really thick, so you can put a good amount of candies in there, a small bag of chips, a little drink, and guess what? You have an adorable, affordable goodie bag for the kids. So let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, bye you guys.